In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io as a CRM. Whether you're just getting started or looking for ways to optimize Apollo.io for your business needs, you've come to the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know in just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, let's begin by opening your web browser. This is where it all starts, as you'll need to access Apollo.io through your internet connection. Once you have your browser open, the next step is to search for Apollo.io. You can do this by entering Apollo.io into your search engine. It's usually the first result that pops up, so click on that link to navigate to the Apollo.io homepage. Once you're on the Apollo.io website, you'll need to log in. You can do this either via email or through SSO, known as Single Sign-On. Choose the method that you're most comfortable with or that your organization prefers, and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, let's explore how to make the most out of Apollo.io as a CRM. Apollo.io is a powerful tool for data management. Begin by importing your existing contact and account data. This can be done by uploading a CSV file, or by integrating directly with other platforms you might be using. Taking the time to organize your data from the get-go is crucial. This ensures that your records are easy to manage and accessible whenever you need them. Next up is sales engagement. One of the fantastic features Apollo.io offers is email automation. This allows you to create and schedule personalized email sequences to your contacts. Keeping track of how these emails perform, like monitoring opens, clicks, and replies, helps you engage effectively with prospects and spot promising sales opportunities. Moreover, Apollo.io's calling features let you make calls directly from the platform, where you can also log call details and track outcomes. When it comes to sales intelligence and analytics, Apollo.io really shines. Make use of its deal management features to track your sales pipeline accurately, manage individual deals, and even forecast your sales more effectively. Using the reporting and analytics tools available, you can analyze your sales performance thoroughly, gaining insights into your processes and identifying areas where you might improve. Finally, while Apollo.io is a robust standalone CRM, it also integrates with a variety of other tools to further enhance its functionality. For instance, you can integrate with Slack to receive notifications, ensuring you and your team are always up to date on what's happening within your CRM. And there you have it. We've covered how to use Apollo.io as a CRM effectively in just a few minutes. Hopefully, you now feel more confident in managing your data and engaging with clients using this powerful platform. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more